Okay, folks, this video is for Orange County only. This is Doug Pinkham with Pinkham and Associates. Sorry about that. This form is a local form called a Family Law Notice Ray-related cases. So this form is specifically, it's a tiny little form. It's specifically used to tell the court if you guys have used, you or the other party have used other names, and if there's any active cases, other active cases going on with regard to you folks, like a restraining order case, or is there, some other custody and visitation case, and then maybe there's a child support case in another county, any kind of related cases of any kind, any other cases of any kind that are also pending right now. There could be a lawsuit filed against you and your spouse for a business you run. Any other cases, this is what this form is about. So let's start at the top. Where was I? Okay, yeah. So first of all, this is form number L1120. This is an 1120, a local form 1120. Let's go to the top. Just like every other form, up there at the top, you're going to list your name, address, and telephone number. If you have a fax number, you put it in. If you have an email address, you can put it in. Neither of those two things are required, though, the fax number and the email. Where it says attorney for, you're going to list your name there. This obviously already has the county listed. In Orange County, if you already know that your case, well, never mind. Just mark the box that has Lamoureux Justice Center. All right, the petitioner name goes next on the next line, and the respondent's name, the petitioner and the respondent never change. Same names as was on the original filing. If this is part of the original filing, if you're the one filing the document, then it's going to be you're going to be the petitioner. If you are receiving the document, you are, if you're being served with a divorce or a legal separation that was filed by the other party, then you're the respondent. Case number, if this is part of the initial filing, you don't know the case number yet. If you were served with the paperwork and you're filing this as part of your response, then you know the case number because it's on the paperwork you were served with, and you put that in there. Then we go down. The next line down, number 1, this is a line where you put other names that you have been known by. If your name is Joe, but your technical name is, proper name is Joseph, put Joseph. You want to put your middle name in there and your last name. If your name has changed, if you are a woman that was previously married or and you could put your maiden name in there. If you've had 3 prior marriages, you're going to want to list your name, each of those names, and you want to use the entire name. So if your name is Mary and your middle name is Ann, and your maiden name was Jones, then you're going to want to list Mary Ann Jones. If your second name, if you were then married to a man named Smith, you're going to put also Mary Ann Smith. And then, so each of your names, you're going to want to list each of your proper names. Then, number 2 is the other party's name is, and that's the name they use in this case, that you were using in this case. And on the next line down, you're going to list the other names that that other person has used in their lives. If you want to put nicknames in there, as long as it's a name that they actually go by. Like if the proper name is Joseph, or let's say the proper name is John, but their family's always called him Jack, then you can put Jack in there, and the whole name, including middle and last. Okay, then number 3 is other court cases involving either party or a child of either party. So again, if there's other cases related to any of you, you're going to need to list them here below. And you're going to mark box number 3 if there are cases. If there are no other cases that any of the family is involved in, you're going to mark box number 4, which reads there are no other court cases involving either party or child in this, or a child of either party. Then when you're done with that, you're going to put the date down on the line where it says date. Underneath that, you're going to write your name in there or type your name in there. And to the right, you're going to sign your name. That would complete this form. Again, this is a local form for Orange County only. And it needs to be filed along with your petition and summons. It also needs to be filed along with a response. If you're filing a response, if you were served with the petition, summons and petition, and now you need to respond. It is also filed along with some other filings, requests for orders, things like that. But we will give you that information under that set of videos. All right, folks. Again, my name is Doug Pinkham. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you.